Om Shanti, very good morning. Today we'll go through English Sakar Mulli. That is 31st January 2021. As today is Sunday, there is Abhyakt Mulli. Revised year is 1987, 25th October. The heading of the Mulli is Become detached in four things. How can we get detached from the important main four things? बाबा बोल रहे चारों बातों से न्यारे बनो. Today, Bap Dada is looking at all his elevated children who are seated on a lord's seat. आज बाप दादा अपने सर्व कमल आसनधारी श्रेष्ठ बच्चों को देख रहे हैं. Who are seated on a lotus seat. A lotus seat is a symbol of the elevated stage of Brahmin soul. आसन स्थित होने का साधन है कमल पुष्प. ब्राह्मण आत्माएं कमल स्थिति में स्थित रहती, इसलिए कमल आसनधारी कहलाती है. A seat is a means of remaining stable. A seat means remaining stable. Brahmin souls remain stable in a lotus-like stage, and this is why they are called those seated on a lotus seat. Just as Brahmin become deities, those seated on this seat are then able to sit on a throne. Whether you remain seated on a lotus seat for a long time or a short time, you will accordingly become one seated on the throne of a kingdom for a long time or a short time. A lotus seat is a symbol of the extremely detached and loving stage like that of Father Brahma. You Brahmin children follow the Father, and this is why you have a lotus seat, the same as the Father. The sign of being extremely detached is that you will be extremely loved by the Father and the whole family. To be detached means to be detached from everything. To be detached from the awareness of one's body consciousness या bodily world. Worldly souls naturally and constantly have the awareness of their bodies. While walking and moving along and performing every action, they do not have to make effort to think that they are bodies. They have that awareness easily without even consciously thinking about it. Just it is naturally they have that awareness कि ये शरीर हो. In the same way, Brahmin soul seated on a lotus seat should also easily remain detached from any awareness of their bodies, just as souls without knowledge remain detached from soul consciousness. You are soul conscious. Let no awareness of your body pull you towards itself. You saw Father Brahma, while walking and moving along, he naturally had the angelic and deity form in his awareness. Constantly to have such a soul conscious stage naturally is known as being detached from the awareness of one's body. Naturally, आत्मिक स्वरूप का स्मृति रहे, एंजेलिक अवस्था का स्मृति, जैसे फरिश्ता स्वरूप का स्मृति ब्रह्मा बाबा को चलते फिरते रहता था, ऐसे आपको नेचुरली लोटस स्टेज की अवस्था रहे कि मैं कमल पुष्पधारी, कमल पुष्प आसन में विराजमान, कमल पुष्प तुल्य पवित्र और न्यारा. Only being detached from any awareness of your body will make you loved by God. भगवान को प्यारा वही बनते जो सदा अपने देहभान से दूर रहते. To remain detached from all the relationship of your body with your drishti, attitude and action while seeing bodily relationship, let the soul's conscious relationship be naturally in your awareness. This is why Bhaiya Dooj, the occasion of a brother being invited to his sister's place, comes after Deepavali, when you become a sparkling star or a sparkling eternal lamp you have the relationship of brotherhood. As souls, you have a brotherly relationship, and as corporeal Brahmin of the clan of Brahma, you naturally have the pure elevated relationship of brother and sister in your awareness. So detachment means to be detached from your body and bodily relationship, to be detached from perishable profession of your body. If a physical possession is causing mischief for any of your physical senses, that is, if there is any attraction to it, then there is not detachment. It is easy to be detached from relationship, but attraction to physical things from which you should be detached still remain in a royal way. You were told that a clear form of attraction is a desire, but the subtle and deep form of a desire is to like something. You say, I do not desire it, but I like it. This subtle form of liking can also take on the form of a desire. So check this very well. The subtle form of desire is also attachment. Is this physical things? That is, this means of temporary happiness pulling me when a facility is not available at the time you want it. Is your spiritual endeavor easy? That is, your stage of easy yoga does not fluctuate, does it? You are not influenced by any facility or compelled by your habit, are you? All of those physical facilities are facilities of matter. You are conqueror of matter, that is, you are Brahmin seated on a lotus seat beyond the support of matter. Together with becoming conqueror of Maya, you also become conqueror of matter. As soon as you become conqueror of Maya, Maya repeatedly tests you in various ways. She sees that her companions are becoming conqueror of Maya, so she gives many test paper. The test paper of matter brings all of you into upheaval through the facilities. Water storage, for instance, that was not a big paper. However, just as facilities are made with water and facilities are made with fire, in the same way, facilities made with every element of matter are the basis of temporary happiness for human souls in their lives. So, all of these elements will test you. Then there was just the shortage of water, but when the facilities made with water are not available, that will then be a real test paper. These test paper from the element will definitely come at their time. This is why you have to become free from being attracted by any possession of your body and remain free from any support of your body. At present, all facilities are easily available to you. There is nothing lacking. However, while all the facilities are available and while you experiment with all the facilities, your stage of yoga should not fluctuate. To experiment as a yogi means to be detached. When you do not have anything anyway, that is not called being detached. However, whilst having everything, use them for the sake of it and experiment with them without being attracted by them. Do not use them because you want or like them. Definitely check yourself in this way. Where there is some desire, then no matter how much effort you make, the desire, ichha, will not allow you to become good. Otherwise, at the time or taking a test paper, your time will be spent making effort. You will try to be absorbed in making spiritual endeavor, that is sadhana, but the facilities will attract you to themselves. You will continue to battle and make effort to try and finish the attraction of the facilities, and your time for the test paper will pass by in this tug of war. So, what would the result be then? The facilities with which you experiment make you stage of an easy yogi fluctuate. That easy yogi will fluctuate. The test paper from the element are now going to come to a greater speed. Therefore, check in advance that none of the support of physical things like food, drink, clothes your way of interacting, living, and performing connection with others. Check that none of these things take the form of an obstacle, even in a subtle way. Try this out now. Do not begin to try when the test paper comes. There would then be a margin for failure. The stage of yoga means to have a detached stage while experimenting. Let the spiritual endeavor of an easy yogi be victorious over the facilities. That is our matter. Let it not be that you are able to make do without one but not without the other, and that is why your stage fluctuate. That could not be called a detached life attain such success that through your success, even things unattained give you the feeling of attainment. At the beginning of establishment, in order to test whether they were attracted to things or not, programs were purposely made to test them on this. For instance, for 15 days, they were given just millet, chapati and buttermilk to eat. They had to try this out when wheat was available. No matter how ill some were, they had to eat just this for 15 days. No one fell ill because of this. Those who were asthma patients become well. They had the intoxication that Bap Dada had given that program on the path of devotion. It is said that poison turned into nectar, but this was buttermilk. Faith and intoxication make you victorious in every situation. Such test paper will also come. You will just have dry chapati to eat. At present, you have all facilities. You might say your teeth are not strong enough. You are unable to digest it. What will you do at that time when you get dry chapati? When you have faith, intoxication, and power from the success of yoga, even dry chapatis will work like soft chapati and you won't eat upset. If you maintain the pride of being an embodiment of success, no one can then upset you. When lions become like cats in front of hot yogis and snakes become like toys, then none of these things are a big deal in front of you, Raj Yogi, who are embodiment of success. If you have the facilities, use it comfortably, but check that you are not deceived at that time. When the time comes, do not let the situation bring you down from your stage. It is easy, yogi, to become detached from relationship of your body, but you have to pay a lot of attention to being detached from the things of your body. Next, to be detached from your old nature and old sanskar. With the remembrance of God, with the remembrance of that old child or children, you are coming to know that their health is okay and they are not missing you. Why unnecessary you are going to miss them, attach them? Today blessing, may you become sensible and do 3 types of service at the same time and become an embodiment of success. May you become sensible and do 3 types of service at the same time and become an embodiment of success. Embodiment of success. Jnani tu atma bhavo, may you become sensible and become the embodiment of success. Safalta murat. Jnani tu atma bhavo. कैसे? 3 types of service at the same time. साथ साथ एक साथ में तीनों प्रकार की सेवा करने वाले सदा आज्ञाकारी सफलता मूर्त भवो. Today's slogan, to give the experience of peace, power and happiness through one's word, action and drishti is the greatness of great soul. To give the experience of peace, power and happiness through one's word, action and drishti is the greatness of ग्रेट सोल. यही है माने महान आत्माओं की महानता. कैसे? ना सभी को शांति की, पावर की, शक्ति और खुशी की अनुभव कराए उनके कर्म से, वर्ड शब्दों से और दृष्टि से। ये महान आत्मा की महानता है। ओम शांति। गुड मॉर्निंग।